Dear friends, today I want to introduce you the embodied perfection. Its name is Spectre. Every component of this rifle, from the 3-lug bolt to the unique chassis, was engineered with a specific purpose. It's combat-proven, refined through real feedback from operators in the field. Mud, water, long deployments, no support, no second chances. So let's break down what actually makes it different. Here we have the 3-lug bolt. Standard sniper rifles use 2 lugs. The Spectre uses 3. That spreads firing stress across 50% more surface area. Less deformation, less wear, more consistency. The bolt is made from heat-treated steel then machined after hardening, not before. The tolerance control is measured in microns. Why does this matter? Because it lets the bolt handle pressures that would wreck other rifles. What about the chassis? Tailored recipe aluminum gives steel-equivalent strength at 40% less weight. Every surface is modular. M-LOK, Arca Swiss, Harris, Picatinny, your bipod, tripod, night vision, everything mounts exactly where you need it. It is engineered through collaboration between elite military snipers and top-tier precision shooters. So the chassis unites 3 missions in one design: combat, training, and competition. The adjustment mechanisms, quad rails, structural components, all carbon. It isn't cosmetic weight reduction. It's deliberate mass distribution to keep the rifle on target. The balance point sits exactly at the Arca Swiss mount. Translation: your rifle stays on target after the shot. The barrel is made in-house. The manufacturer controls every specification: caliber, twist rate, contour, chamber concentricity. This is where precision is born. Here's the part that separates Spectre from everything else. This rifle was built by asking operators, what do you actually need when you are deployed? What do you need when you are on a 14-day operation in mud and you can't go back to base? What keeps you zero when you've crossed 3 rivers? What lets you maintain accuracy when your backup is 2 kilometers away? Every feature answers those questions. The hermetic seal, the bolt reliability after 1,300 plus rounds without failure, the modular mounting that accepts any proven accessory. Spectre isn't theoretical, it's combat proven. What about precision? Most factory rifles claim 0.5 to 1 MOA. Spectre, loaded with factory ammunition from most manufacturers, typically delivers group sizes of 0.4–0.6 MOA. With customized ammunition or handmade in strict accordance to the manufacturer's recipe, Spectre unlocks its full accuracy potential. You get group sizes as tight as 0.01 to 0.3 MOA. At 1000 meters, a 0.3 MOA group translates into 9 centimeters. That's not precision, that's certainty. That's I know exactly where this round is going. The rifle is delivered fully configured, tested and matched to ammunition. Unbox it, zero it, shoot it. Spectre gives you permanence. It's not a modular Lego set. This rifle is locked into its optimal configuration. You can't change it because perfection doesn't need to. The rifle incorporates the manufacturer's principle: build exactly what operators need, test it where they actually work, and refuse to compromise on materials or engineering. If you need a rifle that's like a surgical instrument, precise, enduring, perfectly balanced, Spectre is your professional choice. If you shoot at distance, if accuracy matters, if conditions are extreme, if you can't afford downtime, this is the rifle. It's field validation translated into metal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.